Welcome to Deal Connect. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to dispo your deal using our platform. From the homepage, type in the address of the property you're looking to dispo. On the property detail page, click the Add Deal button, located at the bottom left corner. Complete all the relevant fields for your deal, providing as much information as possible. Now, let's explore the dispo options available to you. First, you can share your deal on social media, post it to Facebook groups you are a part of. Next, you can share your deal via email, upload your email list, and send it to your contacts. You can also share your deal as a text. Use SMS or WhatsApp to reach out to potential buyers. Another option is to share your deal on the DC marketplace. You can choose to share it on the general marketplace or keep the deal private. With the sliding tabs at the bottom of the screen, you can choose alternative dispo strategies, such as Investor Agent, send your deal exclusively to local realtors with end buyers. JV, send your deal to local wholesalers who have access to cash buyers. Local cash buyers, get a list of investors who bought with cash in the last 12 months. Best of luck in finding the right buyer for your deal. For more information, contact us at info@dealconnectmobile.com. Thanks for using Deal Connect.